Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 3 of Anthropology 330, Evolution of People, Technology, and Society for fall 2019. I'm sorry this video is coming a little later. I usually try to send this out by Sunday night, but I was at a conference over the weekend and got home very, very early this morning. So this video is coming a little bit late. But let's jump into week 3. So week 3, we're starting to talk about applying evolutionary theory. And this week is the first week where you have a assignment due beyond just the inquisitive and the discussion. So we'll get into that. So let's start at the overview. At the course learning outcomes for this week are to describe the fundamentals of evolutionary theory, and then we're going to start working on our term papers. So the discussion board this week is going to be you introducing the topic that you want to write your term paper on. And you'll do a summary of how you'll approach the topic, and then a 3-sentence summary of one of the peer-reviewed articles you've read. So we're going to talk about peer review in a minute. I'm actually going to send you another video about peer review. But the 3-sentence summary is similar to what you did on the week 1 discussion board, where you answer the 3 questions. What is the conclusion of the paper? What is the evidence that they used, and how did they collect that evidence? And then you'll read and respond to some posts. So that for the discussion board, you're going to be divided into smaller groups, less students in each group, and so that'll kind of foster a more detailed discussion. So besides the discussion, you'll then be turning in step 1 of the term paper. So step 1 is a topic proposal. So if you click on this and go through to the term paper module, it'll have instructions for everything here. But this is due, it's worth 10 points, and it's due Friday of this week. So here's a rubric that I'll be using to grade your proposals. So you need a title, you need an introduction paragraph, you need a list of 4 keywords, and you need to provide 5 peer-reviewed sources. And you'll need to use properly formatted citations. So if you're unclear about what the citations are, the links to that are in the week 1 discussion board, the APA, MLA, and Chicago style citations. So before you get into the discussion and the paper, you should do the readings. So we're reading 1 chapter of Larson, 4 chapters of Wilson, and then these 2 articles from the Quarterly Review of Biology. These 2 articles are optional, but you can read them and see what kind of work we're looking for. And then, of course, there's a lecture this week, a 5-minute PowerPoint lecture, and then a cartoon about natural selection. So if you have any questions about anything that's going on this week, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. And you should be getting your grades for the week 2 discussion board sometime in the next couple of hours. So I hope everybody has a great week. Talk to you later.